Hello viewers. 7 tips to prevent cancer. In today's modern world, there are many studies that can provide information on cancer prevention measures. Each report made has its own factor or reason. Even so, there are 7 ways that can be taken as a way to minimize attacks cancer, especially for those who have a history or family history of this disease. Cancer generally occurs due to the lifestyle chosen. If we practice a healthy lifestyle and be careful with what we take, the risk of attack can be reduced. Among the methods that can be practiced are: Number 1. Burn calories and body fat by staying active. An active lifestyle can help improve overall health. One of the ways to stay active is to exercise, because this is the best way to burn calories and reduce body fat. Not only will you be able to improve your health, but you will also have the opportunity to gain an ideal weight, have attractive skills, and have high confidence. Get more movement by choosing to walk and use the stairs instead of taking the car or elevator. If you drive, park in a parking lot further away from the office so you can walk more steps. You can use a bicycle or public transport to work. It is not only able to cause sweat, but the use of bicycles and public vehicles can also reduce carbon dioxide emissions in the air. In addition, muscle building methods can also help. This is because even if you rest, the body will still burn calories. Each kilogram of muscle burns 6 calories a day to survive. Number 2. Increase oxygen in the body. Oxygen helps the body to replace old cells with new cells. Without enough oxygen, our body cannot produce energy and the body's metabolism will decrease. This makes us less effective in everyday life. One of the best ways to increase oxygen in the body is to drink more water, because it is able to regulate body temperature and carry nutrients and oxygen. In addition, exercise activities such as cycling or running can also help your body by working the heart and blood vessels by flowing blood with a high oxygen content throughout the body. Practice drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Number 3. Bowel movements to eliminate toxins in the body. Practice consuming fiber because it helps smooth bowel movements, avoid constipation, and help lose weight. In addition, drinking plain water is also able to help wash the intestines by getting rid of toxins through excretion such as sweat and urine. Number 4. Balance hormones that reduce the risk of breast cancer. Hormones play an important role in ensuring a person's youth and quality of health. Hormones are also chemicals produced by endocrine glands that have certain effects on the activity of other organs in the body. There are various studies that show a link between hormonal imbalance and breast cancer. However, hormonal imbalance can be overcome by taking care of your diet. Therefore, meals should be accompanied by balanced proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Among the nutritional practices you can do is eat fish high in omega-3 fats such as salmon and sardines, drink green tea that is high in antioxidants, and use healthy fats such as coconut oil and palm oil when cooking. Number 5. Balance the metabolism in the body. A balanced metabolic rate is also important in improving the level of health, which is able to prevent cancer. One of the methods to balance the metabolism in the body is to eat regularly. Eating small amounts but often helps the body's metabolism burn calories all the time. Studies show that those who eat regularly rarely overeat. Also, eat a balanced diet. This is important for your health and fitness. Choose high nutrition foods. The body burns more calories when digesting protein than when digesting carbohydrates and fat. Number 6. Practice an active life. Avoid continuing to practice a sedentary life that is an inactive life by spending time in a chair or lying down. Try to work up a sweat like exercising and doing physical activity, because it's actually not difficult and doesn't require a lot of money. At home, in the office, even in the vehicle, it can still be practiced. Ask yourself. If you are really serious, start with small steps such as always thinking positively. The rest you do slowly. Eventually, it will bear fruit. Number 7. Don't use tobacco. The use of tobacco either by smoking or chewing can increase the risk of cancer. Smoking usually causes lung, mouth, throat, larynx, pancreas, bladder, cervix, and kidney cancer. The habit of chewing tobacco is usually associated with cancer of the oral cavity and pancreas. Exposure to second-hand smoke may increase the risk of lung cancer. Quitting tobacco use is an important part of cancer prevention. Conclusion: the preventive measures outlined before are not 100% effective in preventing cancer. However, how to prevent cancer can reduce the risk of developing this disease. In addition, preventive measures such as performing self-exams can help you do early detection. It is very important in helping the effectiveness of medicine or even cancer treatment. You can also contact the doctor for more information. Your doctor can suggest how often you should have screening tests based on your health history. Do not stay silent if you feel there is a physical change in the body. Put aside the shame and quickly see a doctor for an examination. Comment your thoughts below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting videos about health and wellness, subscribe to the channel here.